modelling. This short video is about how scope works in PRINCE2. This is the contents of this video. It's about PRINCE2 controls and the relevant principles, themes, plans and techniques that are used by PRINCE2 in scope management. Here we are on our content map. You can see we're looking at scope management. Scope is one of the things that PRINCE2 seeks to control. PRINCE2 needs customers, suppliers and the project team to all have common views on what is expected and what is being provided. The PRINCE2 principles that handle scope are manage by exception and focus on products. Focus on products is the real scope principle. It's about the deliverables and making sure that the project delivers them. PRINCE2 considers this the most important because this is what will fulfill the stakeholders' expectations. With PRINCE2, we're always working with an understanding that we need to be satisfying the business's needs. So that's an ongoing reassurance that the project is headed in the right direction. But also, focusing upon the products ensures that there is a common understanding between the project team and the stakeholders for what is being produced. Managed by exception is where tolerances are set, and if the scope of the product is going to go beyond those tolerances, then the problem needs to be escalated to a higher level of management. It's here that mandatory requirements and desirable requirements are monitored in PRINCE2. PRINCE2 uses plans as a means of communicating and controlling how products are delivered. Each of the plans considers what needs to be delivered, the risks, issues, required resources, activities, and an assessment of whether targets for time, cost, quality, scope, benefits and risk can be met. While all plans are important for scope, perhaps the most relevant for us are the project plans and stage plans. PRINCE2 says that plans must be presented in the best way for the plan's audience, how it will be used and the planning tools that are relevant to the project and organisation. It's a question of aligning the plan format with the organisational needs. The project plan is a high-level plan that identifies the major products for the project, when the products will be delivered and what they will cost to deliver. This is written right at the start of the project and it is continually updated as the project progresses so that there's a record of how the major products are progressing. This is a major control document. It allows for the project manager or various team leaders to see if any of the major projects are beyond tolerances for schedule or budget, and so something can be done about them. The stage plan is the level of planning where the detailed and fundamental work for the project is identified. All of the products that will be produced within each stage will be described in detail within each stage plan. PRINCE2 doesn't always recommend techniques, but it does for planning, for prioritization, estimation and scheduling. We'll talk about these in more detail in later videos, but these are really common project management techniques and they're not all unique to PRINCE2. And that's it for this video. We talked about PRINCE2 controls and the relevant principles, themes, plans and techniques that are used by PRINCE2 in scope management. If you have any questions, please ask. Thanks for listening.